In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use spell check in Gmail, making sure your emails are free of any pesky spelling errors. We'll cover the whole process step by step, so by the end, you'll be a pro at ensuring your messages are as polished as possible before hitting send. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google's main page. You can do this by entering www.google.com in the address bar. Once there, you'll see the sign in option prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your Gmail credentials. After successfully logging in, you should see your email or profile icon in the top right corner indicating you're signed in. Now locate the Gmail button, usually found in the upper right section of the screen. Clicking this will take you directly to your Gmail dashboard, where you can start managing your inbox. What you'll want to do next is to find your settings. This can be done by looking for the gear icon, generally located in the upper right hand corner of your Gmail interface. Click on it to reveal a drop down menu. Within this menu, select the option that says See All Settings. This is where all of your email configuration options are available. Among the tabs at the top, you'll find one labelled General. Click on it and then scroll through the settings until you find the section titled Spelling. These options are designed to assist with both spelling and grammar, and can be incredibly helpful to ensure your messages are error-free. You'll notice in the spelling section, the option typically says something along the lines of check spelling or enable spell check. Make sure that these spell checking settings are activated. If not, click to turn them on. Some browsers automatically enable this feature, but it's always a good idea to confirm that it's active on your account. After activating spell check, compose an email to test it out. When you finish writing, any detected spelling mistake should be underlined or highlighted, allowing for quick corrections. Gmail often suggests alternatives, which can be accepted by right-clicking the highlighted words. Taking a few extra moments to review these suggestions can enhance your professionalism by ensuring your emails are polished and clear. And there you go, you now know how to enable and use spell check in Gmail. Ensuring your communications are free of errors can significantly improve your professional correspondence. Practice using these tools regularly to make them a part of your email routine. Thank you for watching. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and subscribe for more useful tips. See you next time.